Hello, boys and girls. Can you say hello, Miss Rani? Your turn. Rani. Well done, everyone. Are you ready for some phonics today? I'm very excited. Snowy is here. Oh, boys and girls, the box is turned away from us. And it seems to be open just a little bit. I wonder what's inside the box today. Are you ready to find out? Shall we sing our song and find out? Ready? What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Oh, it's moving a little bit, not a lot today, boys and girls. I think because the lid is... Are you ready, boys and girls? Are you ready? Oh, this is very big and it's very heavy. What is it, boys and girls? What is this? Milk. You're right. It's milk. My turn. Milk. Your turn. Milk. My turn again. Milk. Your turn again. Milk. Well done. That's a lot of milk. Maybe it's enough for a whole class. Should we put it here next to Snowy so we can look after it for us? I think so. I wonder what else is inside our box. Are you ready to find out? Let's sing our song and find out. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Oh, boys and girls, the box is closed and it's shaking. It wants to open. There's lots of things inside the box. Are you ready? What is this, boys and girls? What is this? Adults use this a lot. Sometimes little children do. It's a mug. Mug. My turn. Mug. Your turn. Mug. My turn again. Mug. Your turn again. Mug. Excellent. And when we hold our mug, we put our hand right around the handle and then we put the other hand around here if it's not too hot. And for you, boys and girls, it should never be too hot. Adult mugs are sometimes very hot, so we do not touch the adult mugs. Let's put this in front of Snowy. Keep it safe for Snowy. I wonder what else is inside the box. Are you ready to find out? Let's sing our song and find out. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Oh, it's exciting. Ooh. Oh, something fell. Boys and girls, do you know what this is? It's a piece of fruit. And this is a special fruit. It's called a mango. Mango. Skin on the outside, and adults would cut it for you and then you eat what's inside. It's called the flesh that's inside. There's a hard stone right in the middle. We don't eat that. My turn. Mango. Your turn. My turn again. Mango. Your turn again. Well done, everybody. Mangoes are quite sweet and they're nice when the weather is very, very hot. Let's put the mango and the mug and milk all next to Snowy. Let's see if there's anything else inside the box. Ready to sing? What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Boys and girls, it's definitely shaky. It wants to come out. Ooh. What's this, boys and girls? Mirror. It's a mirror. We look inside a mirror, don't we? When we want to check, what do I look like? So there's a magnifying side. That's the video. Can you see it, boys and girls? It's a magnifying side. which is this one, which makes everything a lot bigger. So you see my face looks a lot bigger in that. Mirror. My turn. Mirror. My turn again. Mirror. Your turn. Well done, everybody. So we've got our milk. We've got our mirror, our mug, and our mango. I wonder if there's anything else left inside the box. Shall we find out? What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Boys and girls, it's the last thing. The box is now empty. Now this, boys and girls, is something that children should never touch. They're called matches. Matches. So if I open the box, I'll open it that way actually. Inside are matches, and I'm going to show you what a match looks like. So if you ever see one, you know not to touch it. Okay, so that's what a match looks like. This bit at the top, when we light it, it lights up and it lights a fire, a little fire. So boys and girls, if you ever see one of these, I want you to tell an adult straight away. It's a match. Match. Okay, so this is a box of matches. In fact, yeah, we'll do the whole box. So matches. My turn. Matches. My turn again. Matches. Your turn again. Well done. Remember, if we ever see this box, we do not touch it. If we ever see a match, we do not touch it. We tell an adult straight away and they will pick it up. Dangerous for boys and girls, for children. So today we've had matches. We've had a mango, mug, which Rani's going to carefully put that on her little pinky finger, mirror, and a big bottle of milk. Should we put them all, except for the milk, on top of Snowy's box? So today, boys and girls, our sound was And can you see, let's put Snowy on top of his box as well. Don't want him to fall off, do we? Can you see that when I do my lips come in? It's a long sound. Again. That's our sound for today. Milk. Mango. Mug. Mirror. Matches. So today's sound is see if you can find some things at home and tell your family about them. And we are finished for today. So let's see, what shall we get? Let's give ourselves a round of applause. I don't think we've done that. Well done me. Excellent, everybody. And I will see you again another day. Remember, one video only. Can you say bye, bye, Miss Rani? Your turn. Can we say bye, bye, everyone? Well done, everyone. See you again soon. Bye.